Abstract. In the dynamic landscape of digital marketing and search engine optimization, SEO, optimizing your website's content for search engines is crucial to ensure its visibility and relevance. One pivotal aspect of this strategy is the utilization of distinct keywords and descriptions for each page. This white paper delves into the rationale behind this practice and the manifold benefits it offers to enhance user experience, elevate search engine rankings, and drive organic traffic. In the vast digital expanse of the internet, where countless websites vie for attention, the role of search engines in shaping online visibility and engagement cannot be overstated. As individuals and businesses seek to establish their digital presence and reach a wider audience, the need for effective search engine optimization (SEO) strategies becomes paramount. In this intricate web of algorithms, rankings, and user behaviors, one fundamental aspect emerges as a cornerstone of successful SEO: the practice of tailoring unique keywords and descriptions for each individual page within a website. The internet serves as a vast repository of information, catering to the diverse needs and interests of its users. Keywords are the words and phrases that users type into search engines to find information. Meta descriptions, on the other hand, provide a concise preview of what a page entails. Customizing these elements per page has several notable advantages. Using distinct keywords and descriptions ensures that users are directed to the most relevant content. This enhances the overall user experience and reduces bounce rates as visitors find exactly what they expect. Different pages on a website cater to varied aspects of a business or topic. Tailoring keywords and descriptions enhances the navigational efficiency of your site, guiding users to the precise pages they seek. Search engines penalize duplicate content, considering it less valuable to users. Customizing keywords and descriptions mitigates the risk of duplicate content issues and maintains the integrity of your website's SEO. Every web page might cater to a specific audience segment. Tailored keywords and descriptions allow you to connect with these segments effectively, leading to higher engagement and conversions. Unique keywords enable targeting long-tail keywords, capturing specific user intent and driving niche traffic. Furthermore, tailored descriptions increase the likelihood of content being featured in rich snippets, providing quick answers to users' queries. Search engines rank pages based on their perceived relevance. By aligning keywords and descriptions with content, your website's visibility in search results can improve significantly. Selecting appropriate keywords involves understanding user intent and conducting thorough keyword research. Compelling descriptions should concisely highlight the page's content, encouraging clicks. Implementing unique keywords and descriptions requires careful planning. A content audit can help identify pages needing optimization, followed by systematic implementation. The digital landscape is ever evolving. Regularly reviewing and adjusting keywords and descriptions based on analytics and user behavior ensures sustained success. In the quest for effective SEO, the importance of using unique keywords and descriptions for each page cannot be overstated. This practice fosters user engagement, aids navigation, and propels your website to higher search engine rankings. By recognizing the value of this approach and adopting it diligently, you position your website for success in the competitive online arena. Post views 5.